Hello, this is Plectranthus LemonTwist, which will be a supplemental crop for our holiday show this year. It came in 18 flats, we call them. Now we have to transfer these into 6-inch plant growing pots so that they can be well managed inside the greenhouse. We have different size pots here, but I'll be using the 6-inch azalea pots to transplant those from 3-inch, so I'm upping them up. These pots are clean, they've been sterilized with bleach and water. Here's our plant. Just take the plant out of the pot, take the label, make sure you read the label so that you know it's the plant which you actually want to report. Take the plant off the pot to check the root system. So we check it out. Now we know we have a nice looking rooting system there, a little root bound, but that's all right. Take your pot, fill in the pot with potting mixture. This is Jolly Garden C25. Fill the pot half, and then make sure you make a nice hole there to accommodate all that big root ball. Take the plant out, make sure you disturb those roots somewhat to activate them to start regrowing again, and then put the plant inside the pot. Now fill the pot in with more potting mixture. Make sure you fill it to the brim, and then shake it to make sure you remove all that empty air spaces, and then firm the soil around the whole root ball, and make sure you fill the pot all the way to the water level of the plant of the pot, and then put back the label just to make sure for management purposes later that this is the plant which you potted. Now there you have it, from the 3-inch to the 6-inch. That's ready for growing in the greenhouse now. So I'll have to do it with the all batch of the plants which we had there.